Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into PNC mobile banking account. For that, first of all, launch the PNC mobile banking application on your device. Once the application is launched, on the right side you will see three options. You just have to tap on yes, I want to sign in option from there. Now, here you have to fill out this form to sign into your account. First of all, enter your user ID. Now, if you want this user ID to be saved on this device, then you just have to toggle on Save User ID option available there. Then, enter your password. If you forgot your user ID or password, then simply tap on Forgot User ID or Password option available there. Once you fill out both of the information correctly, simply tap on Sign In button to log into your account. In this way, you can easily sign into your account. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.